corn casserole, another one of my Aunt Hazel's dishes. Hi, I'm Susan, and today I'm going to be making a corn casserole. It's got hamburger meat, Fiesta corn. It is so good. My Aunt Hazel used to make this. She's the one that had the recipe for the caramel icing that I made. So if you like content and recipes like this, please give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you hadn't. Ring that bell and be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm browning my ground beef, and I'm going to add onion. And I know this looks like a lot, but if I'm going to brown meat, I try to go ahead and brown enough to put in the freezer so I don't have to do it more than once. And I'm going to put some garlic. Some salt. And pepper. And I'll get this browned up, and then I will see you back then. I've sprayed my baking dish with nonstick spray, and I've got about 1.5 pounds of browned meat. To that, I'm adding a package of shell macaroni that's been cooked. And now I want to add 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Now 1 can you can use cream of mushroom, but our family has some folks in it that are very, very allergic to mushrooms. So I'll avoid it just in case it goes to their house. Got a can of Mexican or Fiesta style corn. And a cup of sour cream. And this recipe is so easy, and it's another recipe of my Aunt Hazel's. It was her caramel cake recipe that I made, and she was such a good cook. And I've got a few of her recipes that she passed on to my mom. She was like a second mother to me. And we just want to mix this around really good. Get everything very incorporated. Alright, now we want to put that into our sprayed dish. I love, love, love when a recipe makes enough to freeze some. Now we take some fresh breadcrumbs, and I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. And we just want to crumble them up all over the top. After you got your breadcrumbs, you just want to pat the top with butter. Just all over it. Now, if you want to, you probably wouldn't use as much butter, but I like the butter. It makes the casserole moist, but it does add a lot of extra calories. But you can just melt you some butter and put your crumbs in a skillet and toast, and then top them that way. But this is the way my Aunt Hazel did it. My mom did it, and I do it. And you could add as much or as little butter as you want. You just want that little bit of buttery flavor. Alright, I'm going to get these in the oven. It'll take about 20 to 30 minutes until it's brown and bubbly. And I'll see you then. Here it is. Doesn't that look good? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Leave a comment. And until next time, bye y'all.